If your Amazon Fire TV's HDMI ports are not working, or the HDMI input shows no signal detected, if the ARC or eARC ports won't work and the devices keeps disconnecting, then here's how you can fix any HDMI issues by following some simple steps. First of all, if you're seeing no signal detected, then the first thing that we're gonna do is make sure that we have selected the correct input. So let's go back to the home screen, go to Inputs, and then find the HDMI input that's not grayed out, which will mean it has signal. In case you get no signal in every HDMI input, then make sure the device is powered on and you have plugged in the HDMI cable properly on both ends. You should also try unplugging the cable, cleaning the ports and the cable's interface, then plugging it back in. You can also try a different port, or even try a different HDMI cable, because a lot of times low quality HDMI cable can cause low signal, black screen, or disconnection. If you're still having issues with your HDMI connection, then another thing that you can try is remove any HDMI splitter or switcher device that you're using and connect your HDMI devices directly to your TV's HDMI input. And in case you're facing HDMI no signal issues with your soundbar, then remember that you have to plug in your audio device to the HDMI ARC port or else they won't work. And for the ARC port to work, you'll also need to have HDMI-CEC enabled in your TV settings. To check whether HDMI-CEC is enabled or not, we will need to go to the Settings tab. From there, select Display and Sounds, scroll down, open HDMI-CEC device control, and make sure that ARC or eARC is turned on for your HDMI audio device to work. And it's recommended that you keep all the other settings turned on for quality of life features. Even after going through all these settings, you're still getting no signal or black screen, then this can also be caused by small software glitch. And to fix that, we will need to cold boot or soft reset both our TV and our HDMI device. And now hopefully they should start working. If the problem persists, then to make sure that your HDMI device is not causing the issue or your TV's port, you can try connecting a different HDMI device to the same port and see if that device works. If the other device works, then it's your HDMI device that you need to troubleshoot. But if no HDMI device works with your TV or a certain port, then it's probably a hardware damage and you'll need to get it fixed or get in touch with customer support. And these are all the steps that you can follow to fix any HDMI issues with your Amazon Fire TV. Let us know how it went down below. If this helped, you can drop a like and subscribe for more.